In the world of forestry, chainsaws are famous not only for their unparalleled speed, but also for their inherent danger. Join me in discovering why these machines are so amazingly capable. Each sharp sawtooth, each powerful roar of the engine, all create a fascinating symphony between people and technology. What gives them their outstanding strength? Let's find out. Achieving a breakthrough, the Komatsu 911CX smart crane is operating efficiently in the lush forests of Sweden. With advanced technology, the Komatsu 911CX can lift, cut, and move heavy logs with ease. With an impressive lifting capacity of up to 11 tons, this crane is not simply a machine, but a symbol of innovation in the forestry industry. Imagine the lush Washington forest where the Komatsu 911CX does its work. This smart crane, with its superior technology, not only meets all work needs, but also brings maximum efficiency and safety to the operator. The combination of technology and nature is magical, bringing wonderful and surprising experiences to those who witness it. In the lush green forest, the LX830OD Tiger Cat machine stands tall, the embodiment of advanced technology. With the ability to extract and process plants at an impressive speed of up to 40 plants per hour, the LX830OD demonstrates outstanding power and efficiency. More than just a machine, the LX830OD is a symbol of progress, helping people exploit forest resources sustainably and effectively. Before us is a wood collection machine that has been in operation for 12 years. German machinery is always famous for its durability and world-leading quality. After harvesting, small trees will mainly be crushed into small wood chips by wood chipper for paper and furniture production. The Mach 1300 bank grinder operates on a powerful rotating principle. When materials fall, they will be brutally crushed. Large logs will be broken into pieces until they become small pieces, suitable for burning. In countries with long winters, firewood is an indispensable raw material. The warmth from the fireplace, the flickering fire on a cold winter night, all come from the logs that have passed through the hands of the Mach 1300 bank grinder. With its incredible crushing ability, it turns giant logs into a valuable source of energy, heating thousands of families during cold days. The modern tree digger is a symbol of technological progress and ingenuity in nature management. When you see this machine in action, you feel like you are witnessing a giant but extremely sophisticated and effective machine. The machine's strong steel arms reached out, gently embracing the tree trunk, and a proud smile appeared on the faces of the machine operators. With outstanding power, this tree excavator can dig up and move trees with large roots up to 152 newton-meters quickly and accurately, without harming the tree's important root system. The giant John Deere 1470 lawnmower is like a skilled lumberjack, equipped with a powerful 9.0L engine. With 250 horsepower, it moved easily through dense wilderness, handling and processing wood at a rate of 5 logs per minute. A close-up shows the massive power of the 600 UPS, making this machine easily cut through the densest areas. The roaring sound of the engine rang out, demonstrating the power and efficiency of the John Deere 1470 in logging. This nimble Husqvarna 550 chainsaw delivers great performance with cutting speeds as fast as 13,000 RPM. Equipped with the powerful 5T18 motor and the 5501 motor's number 5 fix, this saw easily turns old cherry tree trunks into neat, easily managed pieces of wood. Integrated with the powerful chassis of the Volvo 145 and the advanced Flex 14 technology, this logging machine is not just a tool, but a true king of the jungle. This formidable duo dominates the jungle with incredible ease and performance. Its superior power allows trees to be felled at impressive speeds, processing up to 10 logs per minute. Imagine this scene. Each huge ancient tree is conquered quickly and neatly. Woodcutting work becomes easier and more efficient than ever before. The giant cutter Pan in Bulgaria is operating at full capacity, demonstrating its formidable power. Equipped with advanced technology, the Pan Fox 888 can handle hardwood logs easily and quickly. With many years of experience in controlling giant machines, people have created a powerful and effective tool. The process of moving and cutting the wood is smooth and quick, with each tree cut precisely and arranged neatly. The performance of the Pan Fox 888 lies not only in its cutting ability, but also in the way it makes heavy work easier, creating admiration and curiosity from anyone who witnesses it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to receive the latest information. Thank you for watching the video. See you again in the next videos. We look forward to receiving your feedback. What impressed you the most? Please leave a comment below if you have any suggestions. We always respect and appreciate your opinions to improve future videos. Remember to click the like, share, and subscribe buttons so you don't miss any new information from us. Thank you very much, and see you again.